still waiting on I'm still waiting on not the comic stuff. I'm still waiting on the card game stuff. I don't know what's happening with it right now. As soon as I figure out what it is, I'll let everyone know what it is if you're paying attention to this video and you've been following the card stuff. But for right now, since I can't literally do much in terms of new stuff there, I'm going to work on another project which I've been doing as well, which is graphic series or one shots. I have a one shot that was based on the card game as well, but since I can't really do much more with the card game itself, I don't know how the series would go. I guess I could still technically do a one shot loosely based on the card game. I don't know. I'll figure that out later. I kind of want to wait until all that stuff is handled. So I'm working on a new thing until I know what's happening with that. Um, this is gonna be So this all you can see is like pretty much just all related. It's all the same character. There's going to be another character as well that I use, but for the most part, I'm making a one shot based on a story that's going to show off how the world works, how the magic system works, and all that and whatnot. Basically, just how people who do comics and manga, they do like a pitch to give to a company, and then they see whether the story goes or not. That's basically what I'm doing with myself, except instead of doing it for a company, I'm doing it for an audience. So uh, I'm going to do a bunch of one shots, and then people are going to decide. I want to have people decide which one they like best, and then that's the one I'm going to work on or try to work on. I'm not going to be like working on it diligently to where it's like chapter after chapter, month after month. It's going to be like whenever I can get around to it and do it that way. But the main reason I'm doing this is because I need to remember how to make comics. I used to do this a lot as a kid, but when I grew up, I got less and less not interested. It's just I got more aware that panels need to be more than just squares on a page, and that kind of stalled me. And then it would get to the point where I wouldn't do anything, and I'd forget about it. So I got to get back into that. I know how to do like the whole concept art. I know how to do the structure of like basically leaving a blueprint for how to write the stuff out. Since I am the artist, the writer, and the editor, I don't have to do all the extra steps. I know what's there, and even if I were to do that, it wouldn't be the same anyway. Because whenever I write a dialogue and the narration and stuff, the drawings go completely different from the writing. So I was like, you know what, screw it. I'll just make it as vague as possible, and then I'll work off it from there, and it works for me. It's just when it gets to the paneling stuff, I stop. So, and as you've seen before in some of my other videos, if you've seen my other videos, I have made a few. Um, Excuse me, I had something in my stomach and it wasn't moving. I have had a few things in terms of graphics that I wanted to get done, but again, it's related to the trading card itself, so I gotta wait to see what it's all. I've already said that, but I'm not gonna say it again. But basically, I just need to get past that ceiling point, and then after that, everything else will pretty much be be good, because I can see the story in my head. The scenes replay time and time again to the point to where it's well detailed in my head. I just gotta be able to translate it onto not well, I guess technically paper, but not on paper, but like just translate it as a visual thing. So that's gonna be the new. That's gonna be the new objective, the new project, the new goal is create a one shot. I don't know how long it'll take me, so I'm just gonna play it by ear and give regular updates because that'll get me back into uploading things on a regular basis. So no promises of a schedule. I'm just going to say once I have something new, then I'll talk about it. I don't want to give out too much though, obviously, because then that'll ruin the whole story thing. But yeah, this is the new thing. So that's it for now. I was trying to keep this like to 2 minutes, and I always double my time. So yeah, that's it for this one, and I will be back with another video talking about the story itself and the direction I want it to take. Yeah.